Hi viewers, welcome to Rasa and Suai. Today I am going to prepare banana cheela. For preparing cheela, I have taken gram flour, that is besan, and finely chopped onion, tomato, coriander leaves. Then I have added spices like green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, hing powder, then ajwain, salt, and prepared the batter for preparing the cheela. Here I have sliced the raw banana very thinly. See the thickness of the very thin slices, and I have already put it in the tawa. The banana has to be sliced very thinly, then only it will get cooked, otherwise it will remain raw. This has cooked nicely and ready to serve. You can serve it along with chutney, green chutney, and sauce. Now see how I am preparing this. Just dip the banana slices and put it on the tawa. Now then pour little batter on top of it. And cook it. The banana cheela is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.